Let's be real for a second. Your team is using AI right now. It's helping them get more done, and that's great. But what if I told you the biggest threat isn't the AI itself? It's the fact that nobody's been properly trained on how to use it safely. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the massive and often hidden legal risks of not having the right AI training, and more importantly, what you can actually do about it. Okay, before we dive in, we have to get the really important stuff out of the way. This is not legal advice. I can't stress that enough. AI law is moving at lightning speed, and it's incredibly complex. So please, make sure you talk to your own corporate counsel, someone who knows the laws where you do business. This is just to get you thinking. Think about this for a second. One single, careless prompt. That's all it takes. An employee trying to be productive, maybe summarizing meeting notes or drafting an email, pastes in some confidential client info, a trade secret, or your company's strategic plan. Boom, it's out there, potentially forever. And the cost of that one little mistake? Well, it's pretty staggering. According to IBM, the average cost of a data breach is now sitting at nearly $4.5 million. That's not just some abstract number. That's the real, direct financial hit from just one incident. But wait, it actually gets worse. If that breach can be traced back to corporate negligence, and failing to provide proper training is a huge red flag for that, your legal exposure can be exponentially higher. We're talking about a multiplier effect. Fines, lawsuits, damages, they can all balloon. All right, so here's our game plan. We'll start by looking at just how high the cost of negligence is. Then we'll get into what your legal duty of care actually means. We'll explore the new threats and legal precedents. And then, the good part, we'll build a practical roadmap to help keep your organization safe. First up, let's really define the core problem. We call it the AI security training gap. And it's simple. Companies are adopting AI tools at an incredible pace, but employee education on how to use them safely, it's lagging way, way behind. And that gap is exactly where the danger is. Just look at this. A whopping 68% of data breaches are considered preventable. These aren't all sophisticated hacks from shadowy figures. Most of the time, they're the result of simple internal human error, the kind of error that good training could have easily stopped. So how does this jump from being a mistake to a full-blown legal nightmare? Well, it's all rooted in a legal concept called duty of care. And here's the thing, this isn't some brand new law written for AI. It's a fundamental legal principle that's just being applied to this new technology. You know, for a negligence claim to actually stick in court, a plaintiff has to prove these 4 things. 1, that you had a duty to protect their data. 2, that you somehow breached that duty. 3, that your failure directly caused the harm. And 4, that there was a real, measurable injury, like a financial loss. And right here, this is the absolute kicker for any business leader watching. In the eyes of the law, the breach isn't just the data leak itself. The real failure, the breach of duty, is the company's inaction. It's failing to provide adequate training when you knew full well that your employees were using a potentially risky new tool. Now, you might be thinking, hey, generative AI is so new, the law can't possibly have caught up yet. But, that's not really how the legal system works. Courts are pros at looking at existing precedents, especially from the world of cybersecurity, to figure out how to handle these new AI cases. And believe me, the landscape is changing fast. I mean, just look at this timeline. You've got California's AI safety bill, the EU's new directives, major class action lawsuits already in the works. The legal and regulatory pressure is ramping up like crazy. This is a right-now problem, not a down-the-road one. So here's the bottom line, the key takeaway. For years, courts have held companies liable for not training their employees to spot simple phishing emails. They have a well-established playbook for this stuff. You can bet they will apply that exact same logic to a company that fails to train its employees on safe AI use. And this is why your old cybersecurity training program just isn't enough anymore. Traditional threats, like phishing, are pretty static. They're predictable. But AI? It's a whole different ballgame. It's dynamic. An employee can unknowingly leak sensitive data with zero malicious intent, just by trying to get the tool to do its job. It requires a totally new kind of awareness. Okay, enough of the scary stuff. Let's shift gears and talk about the solution. Because the best way to protect your company isn't to ban AI. That ship has sailed. It's to build a really robust, proactive training program that becomes your #1 legal shield. So what does a program that's actually defensible look like? Well, it has these 4 pillars. Of course, you need clear policies and regular updates, but the real secret sauce? It's scenario-based learning that's tailored to how your teams actually use AI. A generic, off-the-shelf video course just isn't going to cut it when things get serious. Let's just walk through a quick hypothetical story. You've got an employee trying to be efficient using a public AI chatbot to help polish a big client proposal. And to get the best result, they paste in the client's sensitive financial data and strategic plans. It seems like a harmless, even smart thing to do. But the consequences? A total disaster. The data gets exposed, leading to huge regulatory fines. Then, the client files a negligence lawsuit, and they win. And what was their winning argument? It was simple. The company's once-a-year generic training video was completely inadequate for the specific risks their employees faced every single day. But here's the good news. The data on how effective training can be is just undeniable. In one analysis, a company went from having 3 major data leaks in just 6 months to 0 in the full year after they rolled out a comprehensive, tailored AI security program. The ROI here is a complete transformation of your risk profile. So let's bring this all home. We've seen the risk, we've walked through the legal framework, and we've talked about the solution. Now here is a clear, actionable plan you can use to start lowering your company's risk, like today. So what does that roadmap look like? It's really 5 key steps. First, you've got to assess what you're doing now. Second, and this is so critical, you have to design a curriculum that is tailored to your business risks and how your people work. A generic program might not be enough to stand up in court. And get this, some cyber insurance policies may not even cover your losses if your training is found to be inadequate. Then you implement, you monitor, and this is key, you keep updating it as AI continues to change. So we'll end with this one question. AI is already in your workflow. Your employees are using it. That's a fact of modern business. The only real question left is when a leak happens, and it's probably a matter of when, not if. Is your training program something that's truly defensible, or was it just a box you checked?